Welcome trainees. Today, we are going to learn about the topics related to rivets. Let's see the objectives of this topic. You shall be able to define rivets, specify rivets, name the different types of rivets, and state their uses. Let's see the definition of rivets. Rivets are used to join together two or more sheets of metal permanently. In sheet metal work, riveting is done where brushing is not suitable. The structure changes owing to welding heat. Now, we are going to see the specification of rivets. Rivets are specified by their length, material, size, and shape of head. The length of the rivets, L, is indicated by the shank length. Rivets are cylindrical rods having heads of various shapes. They are used for assembling the parts of a workpiece together. Next, we are going to discuss about the parts of the rivets. The first one is shape of head. The shape of the rivet head is to be selected according to the intended use of the workpiece to be riveted. The second one is diameter. The diameter is to be selected depending on the required strength. And the third part is length. Length is to be selected depending upon the thickness of the components to be riveted. After the parts of rivets, we are going to discuss about the types and uses of rivets. First one is snap head. The second one is pan head. The third one is conical head. Fourth type is countersunk head. And the last type is bifurcated rivet. Now, we can discuss about the uses of different types of rivets, one by one. The first one is snap head rivet. It is the most commonly used form, and it gives a very strong joint. And the second is pan head rivet. It is used in heavy structural work, where the strength of rivet is very important. The third one is conical head rivet. It is generally used in light assembly, where riveting is done by hand hammering. The fourth one is countersunk head rivet. It is used where projection of the rivet head is to be avoided. And the last type is bifurcated rivet. The shape of the head is shown in the figure, and the bifurcated portion is used for fastening light parts, tin plates, leather, plastics, etc. Till now, we are discussed about the definition of rivet, shape of rivet head, and types of rivet. After that, we are going to discuss about what is riveting. Riveting is one of the methods of making permanent joints of two or more pieces, metal strips. It is customary to use rivets of the same metal as that of the parts that are being joined together. Now, we are going to see the types of riveting. The first one is tin man's rivet. The second type is flat head rivet. The third one is round head rivet. And the last one is countersunk head rivet. And the Next heading is sizes of rivet. Sizes of rivets are determined by the diameter and length of the shank. And the next topic is selection of the rivet. The diameter of the rivet is calculated by using the formula D is equal to 21 bar 2 to 3 into T, where T is total thickness. Let's discuss about the lapping allowances of rivet. Normally, in sheet metal trade, we will use the following formula, that is, 3 times of the diameter of rivet, plus 2 times the sheet thickness on thin sheets. And the next is pitch allowances of rivet. 3 or 4 times the diameter of rivet, plus sheet thickness, 1 time. And next, we are going to discuss about how to calculate the length. L is equal to T plus D, where T is the sheet thickness and D is the diameter of the rivet. Normally, tinman's rivets are designated by numbers. Thickness of sheets are 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 25, and diameter of rivets are 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30. For the remembrance of this topic, we are trying to answer one question. The question is, what is the name of the part marked as X? The options are A. Diameter, B. Shape of head, C. Length, D. Pitch. The answer is B. Shape of head. With this, we are completed the part 1 of rivets. In week number 18. In part 2, we are going to discuss about the remaining topics in the rivets. Thank you.